It's time for a mindset makeover. If you're feeling overwhelmed by your financial situation, you're not alone. Many people experience stress and anxiety when it comes to managing their money. Are you tired of feeling stuck with your finances? Do you find yourself constantly worrying about how to make ends meet or how to save for the future? Do you dream of financial freedom but feel held back by your current circumstances? It's a common feeling, but there is hope. You're not alone. Many people struggle with money, but the good news is that change is possible. But here's the secret. Your thoughts about money have incredible power. The way you think about money can either keep you trapped in a cycle of scarcity or set you free to achieve abundance. They can either keep you trapped or set you free. By changing your mindset, you can break free from the chains of financial stress and start building the life you desire. It's time to change your money mindset and unlock your true wealth potential. Imagine feeling confident and in control of your finances, celebrating your financial victories. You deserve to live a life of abundance and joy. Picture yourself enjoying the fruits of your financial success with your loved ones. It all starts with understanding how your beliefs about money are shaping your financial reality. By gaining this awareness, you can begin to make positive changes. Get ready to transform your relationship with money and create the financial future you've always wanted. The journey to financial freedom begins with a single step. Our beliefs are like invisible scripts that guide our actions. They are the unseen forces that shape our financial habits and decisions, often without us even being aware of their influence. We develop these beliefs about money from a young age. As children, we observe how our parents handle money, listen to their conversations about finances, and absorb their attitudes towards wealth and scarcity. Our families, our experiences, and what we see around us all play a part. The media we consume, the economic conditions we live through, and the financial education we receive all contribute to the formation of these beliefs. These beliefs become deeply ingrained in our subconscious, influencing our financial decisions without us even realizing it. They can dictate our spending habits, our saving strategies, and even our willingness to invest or take financial risks. If you believe money is scarce or difficult to come by, you'll likely make choices that reflect that belief. You might find yourself constantly stressed about finances, avoiding opportunities that could improve your financial situation, or hesitating to make decisions that involve money. You might avoid taking risks, settle for less, or constantly worry about money. This mindset can limit your potential and keep you stuck in a cycle of financial struggle. On the other hand, if you believe you are worthy of wealth and abundance, you'll naturally attract more of it into your life. This positive mindset can open doors to new opportunities, encourage you to take calculated risks, and help you build a healthier relationship with money. Many of us unknowingly carry limiting beliefs about money. These beliefs are like roadblocks on your path to financial success. One common myth is that money is the root of all evil. This belief can create guilt and shame around money, preventing you from pursuing financial abundance. Another harmful belief is that rich people are greedy. This can make you feel resentful towards those with wealth and discourage you from building your own. It's time to challenge these limiting beliefs and replace them with empowering truths. Money is simply a tool. It can be used for good or bad depending on your intentions. Section 4. Rewrite your money story, from scarcity to abundance. This section is all about transforming your financial mindset and embracing a new narrative. Imagine this. You land your dream job, receive an unexpected bonus, or finally achieve that financial goal you've been working towards. These moments are not just about the money, but about the sense of accomplishment and the doors they open for you. Now picture yourself reacting to these situations with joy, gratitude, and a sense of deserving. Embracing these positive emotions can amplify your success and attract even more abundance into your life. This is the power of a positive money mindset. It's about more than just thinking positively. It's about taking actionable steps towards your financial goals and believing in your ability to achieve them. When you believe in your ability to attract wealth and live a life of abundance, you open yourself up to endless possibilities. Your confidence grows, and you start to see opportunities that you might have missed before. By shifting your mindset from scarcity to abundance, you'll start to see opportunities where you once saw obstacles. This shift in perspective can lead to innovative ideas and new ways to increase your wealth. You'll feel more confident in your ability to make sound financial decisions and attract wealth into your life. This newfound confidence will help you navigate financial challenges with ease and continue to build a prosperous future. Section 5. Unlock your wealth. A step-by-step guide to belief change. Changing deeply ingrained beliefs takes time and effort, but it's entirely possible. Start by becoming aware of your current money beliefs. What messages did you receive about money growing up? Once you've identified your limiting beliefs, challenge their validity. Ask yourself, is this belief really true? Replace those old negative beliefs with new, empowering ones. Affirmations are a powerful tool for this. Repeat positive statements about your relationship with money daily, such as "I am worthy of financial abundance" or "money flows to me easily and effortlessly." Section 6. Take action. Turn your money dreams into reality. Changing your mindset is crucial, but it's only the first step. You must take consistent action to create the financial reality you desire. Start by setting clear financial goals. Whether it's saving for a down payment, paying off debt, or building an investment portfolio, having specific goals will give you direction and motivation. Create a budget that aligns with your goals, and stick to it. Educate yourself about personal finance. Remember, you are in control of your financial destiny. Embrace the journey of transformation with enthusiasm and watch as your wealth and happiness soar.